1. What letter must precede the registration number on American registered aircraft? The letter N2. What FAR covers aircraft registration numbers? Answer. FAR Part 453. The two types of spray guns used for aircraft finishing are suction feed and pressure feed 4. The purpose of a Zahn cup is to measure the viscosity. Turning the fluid adjusting control on a spray gun in a counterclockwise direction will increase paint flow. To decrease the amount of paint applied to an area, turn the fluid adjustment control clockwise 7. When masking, use fine line tape 8. The minimum height of a registration number is, answer, 12.9. The minimum width of the letter N should be, answer, 8, 10. The minimum width of a number 1 should be, answer, 2,